Welcome to this meditation designed to help you manage stress and anxiety. Find a comfortable position, either lying or sitting. Close your eyes and let's begin this journey together. Take a deep breath in. Feel your lungs expand and gently release it. Feel the tension start to melt away as you exhale. Let's do this a few more times. Breathe in deeply and slowly breathe out. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present in this moment. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you continue to deeply breathe, imagine sending your breath to those areas. Visualize the tension dissolving with each exhale. Feel your body becoming more relaxed and at ease. Let's take a moment to acknowledge any thoughts or worries that are occupying your mind. It's okay to have them. Picture these thoughts as clouds in the sky. As you breathe in, imagine those clouds gathering, and as you breathe out, gently blow them away. Watch them drift off into the distance, leaving your mind clear and open. Now, let's focus on positive affirmations to reinforce your inner peace and strength. Repeat silently after me or out loud if you prefer. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am capable of overcoming any challenges. I am capable of overcoming any challenges. I am worthy of peace and happiness. I am worthy of peace and happiness. I trust myself and my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I trust myself and my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I am safe and I am calm. As you repeat these affirmations, feel their truth resonate within you. Imagine each affirmation as a warm, glowing light filling your entire being with positivity and calm. Next, visualize a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a serene beach, a quiet forest, or a cozy room. Picture yourself there, surrounded by soothing sights, sounds, and sensations of this place. Take a few moments to fully immerse yourself in this peaceful environment. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, how it flows effortlessly in and out. Each breath is a reminder of your connection to the present moment, to this feeling of tranquility. As we end this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time for self-care. Recognize the strength and resilience that is within you. You have the power to navigate through stress and anxiety, and to cultivate peace and calm in your life. When you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and empowerment with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Remember, you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need. Take care and be well.